Mark, tell me about running an Aubuchon. I mean, you seem to have a lot of independence.
Well, the garden center aspect makes you need to be independent, because I buy from a lot of different vendors.
Yeah.
Some people do great geraniums, some people do perennials, some people do great dirt. So you have to be able to think on the fly, and not everything comes from the Aubuchon distribution network,
yeah,
for sure.
That's great. And how long have you been working for Aubuchon?
40 years.
40 years. Have you always been here? Where else were you?
I've been here since 1981. Yeah.
Okay, so
I started selling plants in 1985.
And were you interested in plants at that time, or did it?
I was a gardener. My mom was a gardener forever, really. So.
And Aubuchon is still family owned.
Yes, we are the largest independently or privately held hardware chain in the country.
And how many stores are there?
About 112, I think, right at the moment. It fluctuates. We're closing some of the smaller ones and opening larger stores, much like this, so we can do garden centers and things.
And I mean, our relationship with you has grown tremendously over the years.
Yep, it started off with a pallet here, a pallet there. We're currently into our 3rd truckload, and it wouldn't surprise me if I needed at least another half a truckload later on this year. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Nothing wrong with that. And you've been here by my register. What is every customer buying?
Yeah.
Every one of them. It's either the topsoil, or it's potting soil, or it's the garden soil. I have several gardeners that buy pallets of the lobster compost for commercial application. It's all good.
So we're in New Hampshire, and you've been a big part, especially of branding Coast of Maine in this territory. I mean, and your customer recognition now for Coast of Maine products is through the roof.
It's pretty strong.
Yeah.
You notice it's on my signboard. It is all summer long. Yeah.
It's awesome. Does Aubuchon have a company core value mission type statement?
We want to be, yes we do, we want to be true to our neighborhood and have the things that our neighborhood wants. This is a neighborhood where many people garden or have people garden for them, and they want premium products.
I have the best garden because of Coast of Maine.
See, we love hearing that.
Yeah.
And you're using the Cobb's Cook today. Have you used that pretty consistently over the years?
I actually use that as well as the potting soil for a combination of the flower garden and the pots that I put sprinkle throughout the garden.
Why do you come to Aubuchon?
You know, I think they have the best variation of flowers, plants. So everything is always new and different, and the quality of the flowers and the plants are top notch. And the service couldn't be better. And I also come to see Cooper. I have to see Cooper.
That's what it is. It's Cooper. That's why people come.
That's right.
Yeah, I get that. So if you're telling your friends why they should come to Aubuchon, what would you tell them?
The best selection, the best quality, and the best service.